good evening. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to play ukulele. I know a lot of you are requesting for this, so I'm gonna do it right now. For today, I'll just teach you basic chords. So maybe we'll start with 3 basic chords. First, C. This is very easy. All you have to do is use your ring finger and put it on the 3rd tab. This is the 1st tab, 2nd tab, and then 3rd tab. And then put it on the 1st string. By the way, this is 1st string. The string below, that's the 1st string, 2nd string, 3rd, and the 4th string. So these are the tabs. So 3rd tab, using your ring finger, 3rd tab, 1st string. That is C. So let's try it all together. 1, 2, 3. So try to listen. If your ukulele sounds like this, it means you got it right. Next one is D. So how do you do D? D is starting from the 2nd tab. You're gonna put your finger on, your pointing finger on the 2nd string, your middle finger on the 3rd string, and your ring finger on the 4th string. So it looks complicated, but I'll just teach you the simple one. So it's just like this. See? No need to press the last string, just the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd. So let's try that and strum it. 1, 2, 3. So try to listen. If your ukulele sounds like this, it means it's right. And the last basic chord that I'm gonna teach you for today is G. So how do you do G? We have using your pointing finger, put it on the 2nd tab, 3rd string. So it's somewhere there. Then your middle finger right here on the 1st string. Okay, still on the 2nd tab. And your ring finger on the 2nd string, 3rd tab. You got it? So it looks like this. 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. And let's try. If your ukulele sounds like that, that means you got it right. Okay, let's review. Do a review. So the first chord that I taught you is C. So how do we do that? Using your ring finger, put it here on the 3rd tab, 1st string, and let's do it again. Okay. The second chord is D. How do you do D? It's 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. So how do we do G? Oh, I'm sorry. This is G. I am sorry. I forgot. D is supposed to be 4, 3, 2. But there's a shortcut for that. You may just press it using one finger and press the whole thing. The 4, 3, 2. Yeah, that's D and G. Now this is G. 3, 1, 2. Yeah, so if you got that right, next video I'm gonna teach you how to do strumming. But before that, maybe I'll teach you some more basic chords in ukulele so that you could produce a song or you suggestion regarding what to sing or what to play, just comment down below, and I will be requesting you to really put all your requests there in the comment below. Hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and yeah, I'm gonna mention someone requested this. Swartz Caroline Pogi. Yeah, hello. Hi to Swartz. Yeah, that's all. Bye bye. See you in my next vlog.